Okay, welcome back. So today I'm going to go over Soundgoodizer. Now, there's not really too much to say other than, of course, chuck it on your master. But I'll open it up now. And you can see here we've got a big mix knob pretty much, and then just 4 presets, and that's all of the options we get. These 4 are presets from Maximus, and you can adjust how much they affect the signal with this big knob here. It's a super simple plugin. It's a bit of a meme, obviously, but I don't know, you might be able to get some cool sounds out of it if you mess around with some of these types and mix and stuff, and maybe automate it or something. But that's about it for Soundgoodizer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.